All right, this is 4.4, guided practice, where we are multiplying mixed numbers. And in the teaching video, remember I talked about how when you have a mixed number, you want to get it to be a fraction, and then you can just multiply fractions like what we did in 4.3. So let's do this. I'm going to make this nice and big. I have 1/2 times 2 3/8. The 1/2 I like, it's a good fraction. I'm going to take this 2 3/8 and put it into a mixed, or from a mixed to an improper. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 on top, and then I just keep the 8 for the bottom. Okay? Now I go across. 1 times 19 is 19. 2 times 8 is 16. So I have 19 over 16. And if I see that this is improper, I want to put it back into a mix. 16 goes into 19 one time with 3 left over. 3, 16. Now, 1 3/16 is my answer, because 3/16 does not simplify. Okay, let's look at number 2. 1 3/4 times 2 4/5. I want to do the 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 7 over 4 times 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14 over 5. Okay, I can simplify this. I could do this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. That gets me 7, and that gets me 2. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. 2 times 5 is 10. Now, I think about how many times does 10 go into 49? It goes in there 4 times. That's 40. Leaves me with 9 left over. So my answer is 4 9/10. And I could have gone 49 divided by 10. Goes in there 4 times. That's 40. Subtracted out, it's 9. Here's my numerator. Here's my denominator. So 4 9/10. Okay. Number 3. Put these mixed into improper. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3 times 2 times 7 is 14, plus 4 more is 18, and 7. Now this can be divided by 3, and this can be divided by 3. That equals 6, and that equals 1. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 1 is 7. Now I go 30 divided by 7. Goes into there 4 times. That's 28. Subtract that out, it's 2. So 4 2/7. 4 2/7. Okay? Let's do one more guided practice here. Melanie is training for a track meet. She ran 2 1/4 miles 5 times this week. How far did she run? Okay, so it's going to be 2 1/4 times 5 days equals. Okay, this I want to make into a fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9/4 times, and this 5, I can put a 1 under it. That becomes a fraction. 4 times 5, 9. 9 times 5 is 45, and 4 times 1 is 4. Now let's see. 45 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. That's great. That's 0. I bring down my 5. Goes in there one time. That's 4. Subtract that out, it's 1. So I have 11 1/4. 11 1/4. That's how far she ran. Which makes sense because this 1/4 is close to 0. So it's 2. 2 times 5 is about 10 miles. And we got 11 1/4. Yep, that makes sense. Okay, go ahead and do the independent practice problems, and then go ahead and check them on the next video.